is on the way. Mick Holmes is here. The CEO of the contractor is on the way. Hi, Josh. All right, we are here. Let's go, Mr. Holmes. Nick, what in the world is happening here at my favorite color, blue house?
We are about 1 week away from completion on these.
1 week, baby.
1 week.
Nice. Tell everybody about it.
So right now we got all the driveways cut in. As you can see, our form boards are where the top of the concrete's going to be, and that's not going to work to have that big old gap at the bottom. So we're going to need to go ahead and bring in some dirt to go ahead and level these out.
Nick just turned country, so I'm going to bring in some dirt. He's just going to go and bring in some dirt.
Listen, my past is catching up to me.
So what else is going on?
These are another of the 1386 square foot models.
Yes.
Great looking houses inside and out. So like I said, we're looking at about a week left.
All right, let's go. Ooh, it's that new house smell. I do like the cabinets in this one very much. Nick, take it away. We've been here quite a few times, but go ahead and talk all about it.
Been here quite a few times. So cabinets just got templated for granite. We got nice vaulted ceilings in here. That was actually the first time we did vault ceiling on this model was in this house. So they've got a couple changes that we've learned along the way, right? So you've seen this model with a built-out closet right here before. You've seen this model with a new pantry cabinet. We now have the pantry cabinet set up with the counter depth fridge. Washer and dryer still go in this closet over here. You're gonna have a dishwasher, sink, and a nice range and oven over here. It's a great model actually in the actual layout, but we have a couple people that are going ahead and be building this. We actually have a couple up in Citrus County that we're working on right now that have changed this kitchen layout, and I think it might be a change that we go ahead and stick permanently.
What are you thinking?
So they actually went ahead and turned this into a peninsula as a breakfast bar area, took this wall and bumped it back about 2.5 feet. Reconfigured the bedroom and the areas over there, and actually made it work out pretty nice.
Can you please tell everyone how much this house would be retail?
This retails for $285. So we sell these at $285. If you're actually buying it from like an investor off the street, we go ahead and build this for investors at $199.
I want you to think about that. We said this before, $199.9, and it's not going to last much longer that we can hold on to that. So if you're an investor or a first-time home buyer, I would come in pretty quickly. All right, let's keep going.
So what you're gonna start seeing a lot in houses that are under an acre is gonna be a system similar to this. This is actually the pump for the main drain field. You see our drain field is actually elevated up about 2.5 feet. But these two systems right here are part of the anaerobic septic system. So you see we got a little vent at the top of our septic system. That'll end up getting cut down. And then you have 3 tank lids on the back here. Those 3 tank lids are actually access to filters that go in this tank that have to be serviced every 6 months. So if any of those filters go ahead and actually get filled up, this little light will go ahead and start blinking, telling everyone that there's a service issue that needs to go ahead and happen because your septic is no longer working the way that it was intended.
We're building one right next door, and it's the same thing, so we don't need to go in it. But this one's pretty yellow. I don't think there's such thing as a pretty yellow. I'm sorry, I'm not a yellow fan. But either which way, still affordable homes right here, Hernando County. Super excited about it. What's next, Nick?
So next we're gonna go to a custom house about maybe 5 miles away.
All right, let's go.